What's the meaning of backlight? Backlight. Backlight.
Backlight. Backlight. Backlight refers to the illumination source behind a display screen or keyboard that enhances visibility in low-light conditions. The purpose of backlighting is to provide a clear and bright image for the user to see, especially when the environment is dimly lit. Backlight can be found in various electronic devices, such as smartphones, laptops, televisions, and digital cameras. Typically, backlighting is created by an array of light-emitting diodes, LEDs, that shine through a layer of transparent material to produce even and uniform lighting. Modern displays have advanced features like automatic brightness adjustment and custom color settings, making it possible to optimize the viewing experience.